I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the game version and inventory. This ensures the sequence will work. Once confirmed, talk to NPC Mira to accept the Only Way quest immediately. Next, locate or craft 3 silk threads and 1 loom component. These are non-negotiable prerequisites. While gathering, keep crafting materials nearby. It speeds assembly. Make sure to save before progressing to the next scene, so you can reload if an item despawns or a dialogue choice blocks the. Now bring the loom to the marked clearing and set it down precisely on the glowing indicator. Placement triggers the next script. Once placed, open the loom interface and combine the 3 silk threads into the net pattern. Follow the on-screen prompts to weave. After crafting, stay at the loom and perform the 2 required interactions with nearby objects or NPCs. These scripted actions finalize the crafting state. If you rush away, the quest flag won't set, so remain until dialogue and animations finish. Pick up the finished net from the loom. This registers the item in your inventory and updates the quest. Then immediately return to Mira and hand over the net. That exchange completes the Only Way objective and unlocks subsequent rewards. If the net doesn't appear or the quest won't advance, reload the autosave from before you place the loom and repeat placement slowly, waiting for all animations. This reload fix resolves most desyncs caused by mid-sequence movement or network lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.